Hi guys! Today is the unboxing of Provirtec HC13 MistFree Humidifier, so you can understand more about why you chose this humidifier. Open the box. Humidifier main unit by 1. Filter and bracket by 1. Power adapter by 1. Water tank by 1. User manual by 1. Easy to install. Place the bracket with the mark facing upwards. Then put the humidifier hose on it and plug in the power cord. But display control panel on/off. Timer. Child lock. UV light. The inner wall of the water tank is specially made with silver ions, which are combined with UV light to achieve double antibacterial tech. Ambient light shorts press to cycle through the following lighting modes in sequence. Sleep mode. Auto mode. Short press to activate auto mode. Press again to cycle through target humidityvals. 40% minus 45% minus 50% minus 55% minus 60%. The humidifier will automatically adjust. Manual mode. Short press to activate manual mode. Press again to cycle through. Mist levels 1 to 3. The following shows the comparison effect with ordinary humidifiers. 1. Installation process. You can see that ordinary humidifiers take longer, but HC13 has installation marks and is easy to install. 2. Water source selection. Regular humidifiers are only effective with purified water. The Provirtec HC13 MistFree Humidifier can be used with both tapped and purified water. 3. Water addition process. Ordinary humidifiers need to be carefully filled with water so as not to wet the middle parts. HC13 can be added directly with water, with a maximum water level marking. 4. Turn on the power. Ordinary humidifiers only have 3 gears, but cannot control the humidity, especially when sleeping at night. It can detect the humidity in the air. All modes can intelligently control the humidity between 40% and 60%. Adjust the humidity to the normal range. Just one click to select the mode that suits you. You can see that ordinary humidifiers have obvious white mist, and the mist is very large and difficult to adjust. -1 to 13 has no visible mist and white dust, and the humidity is controllable. Both humidifiers are turned on in the maximum power mode. 3 hours later, on full power mode, a typical humidifier will leave noticeable moisture on the tabletop. The HC13 is tabletop remains moisture-free. 5. Cleaning. As shown in the video, ordinary humidifiers are difficult to clean. If not cleaned properly, humidifiers can become a breeding ground for bacteria, fungi, molds, and dust mites, releasing harmful spores and germs into the indoor air. The HC13 can be easily cleaned. Just unscrew the marked bracket, take out the filter, and wash it in the machine. The water tank can be cleaned directly. We recommend cleaning it once a week. For frequent use daily, we recommend cleaning it every 3 days. When the water tank of HC13 is empty, the screen will show a water shortage sign, and the power will be automatically cut off after the filter element is dried. As a parent, your baby's health and comfort are paramount. Dry air can irritate the nose and throat, aggravating allergy symptoms. Research shows that appropriate humidity, 40 to 50%, can reduce nasal inflammation, helping to alleviate allergy symptoms. The Provirtec HC13 MistFree Humidifier effectively addresses the issues of standard humidifiers and is particularly suitable for people with allergies and infants.